Why do you look defeated, sir? Oh.
Schedule 2 of these in 1 week, Alex. Why the there are 3 big-ass film removal jobs, 2 vinyl removal jobs, 2 PPF removal jobs, ass film disintegrating when you pull it off the car. Everybody's busy, so I gotta do this myself. It's up.
That's gonna be a lot of beeping I'm gonna have to do for that clip.
Yeah, I'm gonna beep this out too. Piece of stupid vinyl coming off in tiny pieces on so many cars, and that PPF that delaminated and left nothing but glue. We didn't even install.
It's okay.
See, that keeps happening. And I know what YouTube's gonna say. Joe, use a steamer. Joe, use a heat gun. I couldn't have gotten more unlucky. Like, I had 3 installs this week that we were removing. That normally, like, 1 of these in a week is okay, but 3 in a week is insane. And all 3 of them, when you heat them up, just disintegrate and leave all the glue. So you have to pull them outside where they're like, where you got wind on you. At least I'm getting some sun, like, getting to work on my tan a little bit. I've been out in the sun all day, every day, pulling film off this car and Zubin's car. Zubin.
You have to say Zubin.
Zubin's hilarious. I love Zubin. I spent a full day with him in Monterey.
Removing the mirror so we can get a seamless install. No line. See right here? No line.
What if we don't take it off?
Then it has to be a line.
Can you do it with no line?
No.
You just fit it over.
No. Can't do that. Look at how you fit it over. How you fit over these? You tell me how you fit over these.
You do is you cut a hole and then you put it over.
No. It's no work like that. You cut the hole, you stretch it out.
Okay, so if there is a line here, that means they did not remove the mirror.
Do you want me to stretch you like that?
Installer.
You want me to stretch you like that? Huh?
We're gonna clean these very dirty Escalade wheels off of that.
They look normal to me.
Oh yeah, I'm so clean I could lick it right now.
Did you say you'll pay him $5 to lick it?
No, I would lick it for $5.
That's a low bet.
That's pretty low, man.
$20.
Especially over there.
Abel's like, I'll do it for $5.
That's a $10 lick right there.
15. Yeah.
He's negotiating.
Sometimes I am amazed by Hugo. It's probably one of the hardest things you could ever ask anybody to do, and I set a very clear expectation with the customer that it's going to be very hard to get this perfect, because wrapping this bumper in clear is very hard to get perfect, let alone changing it gloss black. So there's a version of this car that comes with all this trim painted gloss black, and the customer wanted to match that. We set Hugo on the task, and I am just in disbelief. All right, look at this. It's all black. Like, look at the other side of the bumper. It's actually this color. He actually did the lines between here. He did all these butt seams. This can't be one piece. This all has to be seamed up, but you can't tell there's any lines anywhere. That's because Hugo is the man. I was super impressed with this. So I was like, wow, we should go film this and show. Because I didn't think it was possible. But Hugo did it.
He's lying. He's lying. He just wants to make me work more.
This is the results you get when you don't go home to your family. Alright, if anyone wants to bring their G-Wagon to get this done, bring it to OCD.
No.
Hugo's happy to do more of these.
No,
as you can see, his hair's getting grayer as I tell him this.
Get to know.
Original color, black.
We can cut them. We can start cutting it.
I think you can compound it, right?
Yeah.
And then we can grab it for
And then we'll wash it for him, and then.
because he's got a replacement removal on that same Porsche that needs a hood removed
Oh, okay.
on the windshield.
Okay. Because
Hey, everyone thinks installing tint is just installing tint, but we'll send that out. Like, it's like people are like, there's a distortion that looks like the Great Pyramid of Giza in the middle of the windshield, like the adhesive got distorted, and then 74,000 pieces of dust. I would kill you.
Yeah.
I would literally stab you if you sent a car out to look like that.
so
You'd be like, why do you have a knife, Joe? I'm like, because of the Porsche.
Yeah.
You need to die.
it's like we always say, Tint is easy if you don't care.
Yeah, it is. Because put film on glass is super easy if you don't care.
He cares. Cut to him. He cares.
He
He
cares.
cares. So you want to go Rivian?
Yeah, we'll go Rivian. So we're gonna have to lift up again. Cool. Thank you.
Your window tinter.
Woo! Yeah.
Be next, guys.
Yeah.
By the way, there's your rival right there.
Good morning.
That's the rival.
Mr. For White Boy of the Month. Sorry, if we had picture frames, it would be the whole wall full of me.
Yeah.
Got my heart no
Are you getting a little nervous for that, Misa?
A little bit, but you know, if this is my future, I'm willing to take that step.
Now's when you are want to keep film off his head.
Yeah. Go ahead and so don't touch the adhesive side. So you're just trying to hold. Yeah. Just,
Misa, no pressure. No pressure.
No pressure, Misa.
Okay.
okay. So here, now that we're still on the switch, you're just gonna keep the hand right here.
Drop a little bit, and you just want to prevent it from like keep dropping.
That's what we were laughing about. I was like, I'm stuck and can't fix this. You should have told me I would have fixed it.
I'm sure other tinters laugh at us for how many people we use to get these, but
Yeah, but our installs are clean.
yeah, our installs look great.
We laugh at other titters' windshields. We're like, they clearly didn't have 3 people. Look at all the creases in that.
Yeah. Well, I have an excuse if it looks bad. I'm like, Misa did it.
You're really close to me this morning, Alex.
Yeah. Morning.
Good morning.
Anyone tell the viewers you're really awfully close to the viewers right now?
No, you are very awfully close to me.
But you're getting closer to the
No,
viewers,
no.
actually. I'm actually backing
I'm
up.
not even doing anything, dude. I'm working, actually. Be happy, I guess. Did you see these bars? Are you witnessing these bars, Alex?
What bars?
Look at that perfect circle, dude. Perfect circle.
Morning, Luis. And how's it going so far?
Good, man. Enjoying everything. Everything. It's amazing. It's a great shop. It's amazing work. I love it.
Are you just saying this because I have a camera in front of you?
No, honestly.
Come on. Okay.
Oh, okay. Hey, I'm trying my best to nitpick at this car for you. I probably get like half this vinyl off in like an hour.
That's fine.
Drew stuck.
Drew's stuck?
Drew's stuck.
Help me!
Hey, I'll turn the camera off real quick. Someone get to
Christian confirmed something for me that you said yesterday that I was highly skeptical of.
What?
I said, how many bottles of Deluxe, or how many Cybertrucks can you get out of a bottle of Deluxe? And he's like, probably 5. I was like, oh.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry, I was wrong.
So what do you do now because you're wrong?
I apologize to Joe. I have to go to his house, and he has to strap me in.
You heard that, Justice? Yeah. It's like, wait, I was not expecting it to go there.
Hey guys, that was funny. This is Jerry, OCDetailing. Right behind me, I have Misa being very diligent and hardworking. I don't know if you can see her, but that's her beautiful face. While she types, I'm gonna strategize how to clean up Joe's shelf because Alex requested us to organize Joe's shelf. And you know what? You guys should take a look at it. It's beautiful. So much life, so much abundance. This is the before, and we'll film the after. Sis came along, and he's accusing me of abusing him.
Yes, we do Muay Thai together, and she says I beat her up all the time, but I have bruises as evidence.
Look, am I going to be amazed?
Absolutely.
Okay, I see the surface. Now this one though.
You should look at your desk though. It has some stuff.
Don't tell me it all transfer to my desk.
you got some interesting stuff on it. I like how he ignored Alex's comments.
Yeah. Yeah. Everybody ignores me, so I'm gonna ignore y'all.
How would you do this, Joe?
I didn't do it. It was already like that.
I hear that one too often.
I might have made it a little bit worse, but I just. What do you think?
Okay. Give me what?
Our phone a friend from Midnight Garage, Miguel.
Hold on, let me
Here
actually
to
bring
save
my
the
tools.
day again.
Let me actually go bring my tools.
Just wear a cape while you're doing
Give me
it.
5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wear a cape while you're doing it.
The situation here now?
Somewhat. Cars were overbooked on window tint. The guys are playing catch up with PPF, and we're still navigating through everything.
Is she right?
Yes, but with the right mindset, we will achieve.
Joe?
Mini Joe.
Any words of wisdom to the team of how we're gonna get through the schedule?
If we believe, we can achieve.
There you go. That's the motto here.
We'll figure it out. We always figure it out. Hey, you know, it doesn't matter. Actually, you know, we're so blessed. Our customers are pretty cool. So, you know, yeah, just because of the flu and age or whatever was going around the shop, like, we keep getting put behind. But everyone's just super understanding. And most important thing, we never rush anything. Everything's getting put out at the same quality we're known for and we care about. So that's the thing that matters the most to our customers. So they're being very patient with us and we appreciate it. Except Justice. Justice, if you could hurry, that'd be great.
One word.
Oh my god, is that Hercules out here?
Hercules.
Holy moly.
Oh, the Mexican Hercules, I guess.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You need the nut?
No. How'd you get it off?
Magic.
Oh, you use an impact gun, huh?
No, I use an extractor.
Oh, we don't need that. Yeah, we don't need that. I think that nut's trash.
It worked.
Thanks, Miguel.
Whatever.
We always call you to save us.
I'm glad I'm able to save you guys.
You know, you have a distinct smell.
Me?
Yeah.
I do?
I think it's your shampoo or something.
I have a smell?
But it's a good smell.
Yeah. What?
Good smell?
Oh, it's a good smell. But I just always know it's you.
But I stand in California with.
So right now, everyone is pretty chill. It's a casual Tuesday here at OCDetailing. We got trucks baking, cars being detailed, cars being wrapped. It's all pretty good. Let's take a visit to the PPF side. And to my right, I have Ryan Thomas. How's your Tuesday so far?
I'm on my break.
How is it like working with someone with a foot fetish?
Wow. A foot fetish? I don't know about that one. I don't know how I feel about that one.
My brother in Christ, once again, Anthony. Anthony, how are you so far today?
My knee hurts.
Do you think you could pray the pain away, or do you think you need a break from work?
I like the latter. The latter sounds nice.
Okay, Joe, Alex, you guys make the call. I'm only just a messenger.
Hey, what's up, guys? Can everyone hear me? Everyone hear me okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Funny story on Jerry's application. We thought she was a man because she said she was an Excel ninja. So she got the Excel ninja cake. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Oh my god.
I thought we were firing Drew. Like, that was the next thing we were gonna do. We were gonna fire Drew. That was the next thing. Okay, we're all good, guys. So.
I love you guys so much. I'm gonna cry. You guys are amazing. You're all talented and skilled, and I have so much to say, but I love you guys. Oh my god.
I was wondering why it was a Japanese flag. I was like, she's Filipino. Like, what are we doing? Like.
Kevin, I had chocolate raspberry cake.
Ooh, okay. POV. Joe's mission is to make everyone cry in the shop, and he has successfully made me cry. For context, no context.